and welcome back to my channel Dhruvi Programming Academy. Today we are writing a Python program to check whether the number is an even or odd number. Now let me make you understand the logic first of how we are going to do it and then we write the program. We know that for an even number always when we divide an even number by 2, our quotient will be some value and remainder will always be 0. Well, for example, 24 divided by 2 gives you 12 as quotient and remainder 0. Same with 30 divided by 2, quotient 15, remainder 0. In the same way, for an odd number, it will, whenever you divide an odd number by 2, it will always give you some sort of remainder which is not 0. It could be any thing but not 0, because an even number is, an odd number is not divisible by 2. Of course, this is the normal division that we are using. In Python, we should have used floor division because this division gives us decimal value. But here I was trying to make you understand the logic as we do it normally using pen and paper. So now let us write a program. The logic of our program is based on this, that we consider the remainder and we are writing it in such a way that if the remainder is 0, then it is an even number, and if the remainder is anything else, then it is an odd number. Let us write. Okay. Uh, Let us first take the input from the user. So we are taking, say, num is equal to int input, enter a number. We are writing int because we need the number in the form of an integer. So enter a number. Okay. The next thing, we are using if conditional statements for checking our conditions. We are writing if, and inside that we are writing num. Now we need to find the remainder. Which arithmetic operator is used to find the remainder? It is mod. Mod will always give you the remainder when you write it with anything. Say you write num mod 3, so it will give you the remainder of the number when we divide it by 3. But now we want a num mod 2. So we are writing num mod. Why we are wanting a num mod 2? Because if we find the remainder of an even number, it will always be 0 when it is divided by 2. I just explained you that. So we are writing if num mod 2 equal to 0. Remember that this is the equals operator, and we use equals operator while writing conditional statements. The assignment operator, that is just a single equal to, cannot be used because it is used for assignment and not for checking conditions. So this is the equals operator. So we are writing if num mod 2 equal to 0, which means if the remainder of num and 2, when you divide num by 2, if the remainder is 0, you put a colon first, then we use tab. Remember to use tab because we are writing inside if. Print, what we print is, okay, let me write it in more fancy way. We want num first, so we are writing num, then we are writing comma, and then we are writing is an even number. What does this do? This will take the value of num, and then after that print it is an even number. What if this condition is not satisfied? Simply we take an else, colon, tab, print num, comma, is an odd number. Let us save it. File, save as. We go in my folder, all files, even, odd, .py. I like it that way. We give the extension .py, save. Then we go to the directory where we saved it, new volume D, Dhruvi Programming Academy, CMD. See, we have saved it here. Okay, enter. Then we write Python. We write file name, that is even, odd. If you change even a single letter, lowercase, uppercase, and write the wrong file name, it will not give you the output. Okay, let me just adjust it for you. Okay, uh, the program and this are side by side. So it is asking us to enter a number. We first enter, say, 56, which is, we know, an even number. 56 is an even number. We got the output because it did 56 mod 2, and then since 56 is an even number, we got the remainder as 0, and yes, so it printed 56 is an even number. What if we write an odd number, say 13? So 13 mod 2 will give us quotient 1 and remainder 1, quotient 6 and remainder 1. So it should discard this part because this is false, and it should directly go to the else and print 13 is an odd number. See, 13 is an odd number. By the way, if you have noticed, we have written the print statement in a slightly more different way. That is, we actually found the value of the num, and which gets printed at the first, and then is an even number, is an odd number. I hope you are clear with how to check whether the number is an even number or an odd number. If you do like the video, give it a thumbs up, that is, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.